Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Tangerine Bank. I've been a customer of Tangerine Bank for a few years now, and I've had a lot of positive experiences with them. But is Tangerine Bank really worth it? In this video, I'm going to take a deep dive into Tangerine Bank and see if it's the right bank for you. Before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to ask you a question. Are you looking for a bank that offers low fees, great customer service, and a wide range of products? If so, then Tangerine Bank might be a good option for you. Tangerine Bank is a Canadian online bank that was founded in 1997. It offers a variety of banking products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, GICs, and credit cards. Tangerine Bank is known for its low fees and its excellent customer service. Pros of Tangerine Bank. Low fees. Tangerine Bank offers some of the lowest fees in the Canadian banking industry. For example, there are no monthly fees for your checking account, no overdraft fees, and no foreign transaction fees. Great customer service. Tangerine Bank has a reputation for providing excellent customer service. You can reach them by phone, email, or live chat 24/7. Wide range of products. Tangerine Bank offers a wide range of banking products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, GICs, and credit cards. This means that you can find a product that meets your specific needs. User-friendly app. Tangerine Bank has a user-friendly app that makes it easy to manage your finances on the go. Cons of Tangerine Bank. No physical branches. Tangerine Bank is an online bank, so you won't be able to visit a physical branch. This can be a downside if you prefer to do your banking in person. Limited access to ATMs. Tangerine Bank has a limited network of ATMs. This can be inconvenient if you need to withdraw cash frequently. Limited hours of operation. Tangerine Bank's customer service hours are limited. This can be frustrating if you need help outside of their business hours. Is Tangerine Bank worth it? Overall, I think Tangerine Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a low-fee, high-quality online bank. If you don't mind the lack of physical branches and ATMs, then Tangerine Bank is definitely worth considering. However, if you prefer to do your banking in person or if you need access to ATMs 24/7, then Tangerine Bank may not be the right choice for you. In this video, I've taken a deep dive into Tangerine Bank and seen if it's the right bank for you. I've discussed the pros and cons of Tangerine Bank, and I've given you my overall recommendation. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.